This is Vizzy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear your Instagram search history. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! In the vibrant world of Instagram, our search history reveals our curiosity and interest, whether it's finding a friend's profile, exploring new trends, or discovering inspiring content. Your Instagram search history is a window into your online journey. So, what if you want to clear or delete your search history on your Instagram? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your profile but tap on the bottom right here. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Now you can go to your account center. You can scroll down, tap on your information and permissions. There is an option search history. You can just tap on that. Now you can see on here there is an option clear all searches. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose the time frame to clear all your searches from your account. This will remove your searches on every device, and when you clear or delete your search history, you can't undo this. Me, for example, I will clear history for all time. Now you can just tap on clear or searches, clearing searches. So now all your history, search history on Instagram has been deleted, has been cleared. It's so simple, right? So that is how to clear search history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!